So it's a different kind of a feeling than it was early on.
I
But
see.
along with that, there's a lot of benefits to equipment that didn't used to exist. And for example, I remember as a kid, you drive down a road, and let's say it's not a paved road, it's a dirt road, and you're bouncing, and when you get that thing bouncing, if you had a load of dirt in there, boom, and that dirt would fall out of it.
Sure.
Well, now you have a thing called ride control, and instead of it bouncing, it it floats.
Oh, it stabilizes, huh? Oh, wow.
It stabilizes the front bucket.
How neat. How
What
neat.
that does for you is it allows you to drive at the same speed and lose no dirt, none. On any of those bounces you hit, the bucket does this a little bit, and the tractor, I mean, the tractor does this too, but they're doing them separately.
Sure.
So it's boom, because that's what it was doing. It was bam,
Right,
and it was
right.
taking dirt right out of the bucket, and now it's floating. So it's a completely different feel.
Wow.
You need to turn those things on and off, and why to turn those things on and off. You don't want them on in every situation, but when you want them on, you want them on, and you need to know how to turn them on. So